Komishonas mag IEBC mondo medo dhi mbele kaka wuono ji mamoko auchiel ipiedho ne lemono owinjore kaka chenro no dhi nyime.
So at that point, were you a director?
I was a manager. However, my boss would send me to represent him so that I'm able to capture the issues and we can follow up as an office.
Who was your boss now? Because you told us you are sitting in the office of the CEO.
Yes.
So, meaning CEO is who was your boss? Is it a director or a CEO?
The CEO.
So the CEO would still send you to sit in a committee meeting where there is a director who is the substantive secretary of the committee.
Mine was administrative and I was like an ex-official. I didn't participate in the discussion. My role there was purely administrative, to capture the decisions that really needed fast tracking from the CEO's office.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, looking at the responsibilities of the CEO's office,
right,
vis-a-vis now that you are looking for a position of a commissioner, and having served at the CEO's office, and appreciating also the challenges and what we've always known in terms of governance of IEBC, at the commission level, at the chairman's level, and at the secretariat level. What different thing that you will do to ensure that there is harmony in the governance of the commission?
Right.
Yes.
Allow me provide context, Chair. Usually when a commission comes to office, they meet a secretariat that is so well versed with matters elections. And so here is a dichotomy. These are leaders who have come to lead leaders. So they're leaders by virtue of their authority, but again, they forget, sorry for using that word, or maybe they're not conscious that they are coming to experts who have been in the field of elections for more than 10 and now 15 years for the incoming team. So one of the things they must do, and if I am privileged to enter into that space, I would perhaps share with my team, is when it comes to a technical area in matters elections, partner with the secretariat. When it comes to issues to do with operations, oversight at that committee level. But sometimes when you don't know, please learn, be in the process of a lifelong learner. And those are the three items from what I have learned from experience. They forget they're coming to lead leaders, and these are experts in elections, so they must learn when to partner, they must learn when to oversight, and they must learn when to be taught, but also synergize from the contexts that they are coming from. If that is done, I don't see why we would actually have issues in the commission.
Now you've told us what the commissioners need to learn. So what does the secretariat need to learn when they receive 7 new commissioners at IEBC?
Right. They need to learn, one, these are leaders with legal power to actually run.
Noting that you will now be the commissioner, so what does the secretariat need to learn about the role of commissioners?
I think there must be an understanding in IEBC Act, Section 11, that the commissioners have come specifically to do 3 things: policy, strategy, and oversight. And that needs to be unpacked and aligned to the core values of the commission. If we say adherence to the law, and you have brought a proposal as a secretariat, then they must understand the commission will only approve a proposal if it is in tandem with the law. Again, if you say your core value is in inclusivity, that must be demonstrated, and that's the work of the commission. So secretariat must learn to be humble as well, and to admit and to to be magnanimous enough to be able to, bring the commissions up to speed to understand those things that they think they're experts in, so that they